So as I was writing this, I really was impressed with your little Flipgrid video, and you do need to watch the videos that Dr. Nellie and everyone makes because we spend a lot of time helping you. But here's real quick what you need to do. When you copy a link and paste it into your forum, this is your Flipgrid link that you had. Highlight that. You've already copied it. Come up here and look at the chain link. You see it looks like a little chain link? Click on that and there will be a box that pops up and it'll say enter a URL. Well, you've already copied that, so just do it again. Now if you want, which I like to do, is I give it a name like my Flipgrid introduction or my reply to Mary or something like that. Then I have to click on this open a new window. You do not want to go without that because you'll get lost and you'll be out figuring out trying to get back into the Moodle. So create a link. There it is. So now when somebody looks at your forum post, they don't have to cut and paste and fiddle around with your link. It's already active, which we call a hot link. So I'm Cheryl McCoy, and that's that.